Beginner workout tips. Make fitness a routine. Visiting the gym once is certainly an excellent start, however, you will not see positive changes in your thoughts and the body unless of course you are making exercising a routine. Yes, it might seem as an impossible task, blueberry if you feel you've got a full day already, but exercising 34 times every week not less than 3 days is completely necessary to your budding success. Take control of your lifts. Beginners frequently improve by watching. That isn't alHow a poor factor, however if you simply copy somebody carrying out a life eat incorrectly, this means you are not doing the work right, either. Most frequently, bad form originates from attempting to lift an excessive amount of weight too early. When that occurs, many people use momentum instead of muscle contraction to maneuver the load. Do compound movements. Beginners thinking about fitness can be simply depressed by complex methods of training present in magazines and internet-based articles. If you have never walked feet inside a gym or weren't in a single for a lengthy time, going to isolation moves that actually work only one group of muscles at any given time will not bring the finest results.